Quite naturally, BJP sees this as an opportunity to divide the society, and that's what they're good at doing. हम भारत को जोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो भारत को तोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा.
Congress leader Priyank Khadge attacked BJP for politicizing Hubali murder.
See, we have already taken whatever steps that needs to be taken as per the law of the land. And quite naturally, BJP sees this as an opportunity to divide the society, and that's what they're good at doing. We have done all the needful arrests. We have started the process of investigation, and there is no doubt that we will take the most stringent action. The CM has assured it, the DCM has assured it, the Law Minister has spoken about it, and even the BJP knows that these are the only things that can be done within the framework. They just want to politicize this. If this gruesome incident had happened elsewhere in any part of the BJP ruled state, would the rules have changed? No. But BJP wants to politicize this during the elections. We are completely with the family of Neha Hiremet. We understand the pain that their family is going through, and we are doing all within our capacity to ensure that justice will be delivered as soon as possible. No, let's see what the preliminary investigations come. Let's see what the initial investigations reveal. And then if they are not satisfied, we'll see what to do. The Home Minister will take a call, the government will take a call once the preliminary investigations come in. JP Nadda ji visited the victim's family, that is very good. But when is he going to visit the other victim's family also? Recently in Bangalore also there was gruesome double murder in JP Nagar. And there's also one POXCO case against a very senior BJP leader. Why doesn't he speak about that also? Isn't that also his responsibility? When there is a taint on one of the senior most BJP leaders in the state, you are not talking about it, and you are selectively choosing to do this. Now, like I said, BJP sees this as an opportunity. They are good only at dividing society. Have they even ever bothered uniting a society? They don't know how difficult it is to keep the secular fabric of the society intact. They always have believed in doing such things. हम भारत को जोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो भारत को तोड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा.
On April 18th, 21-year-old Neha, daughter of Hubali Dharwad Municipal Corporation corporator, was stabbed by her former classmate on the campus of KLE Technological University. She was a first-year MCA student. The police arrested the accused within hours of the incident and produced him before the magistrate, who sent him to 14-day judicial custody. While the police investigation suggests Neha and Fayaz, the accused, were in a love relationship, her family members have denied it and said that the accused was pestering the victim and she had rejected his proposal. The murder of the daughter of a Congress corporator has turned into a political slugfest. While the Congress has denied any love jihad link to the incident, the BJP is claiming that the state government has shut the door of investigation by making such statements to appease its vote bank. The Hubali district BJP unit has called for protests all across the state on Monday. Muslim organizations have also given a call for Bandh on Monday over the killing.